Christopher Nolan's Oppenheimer was just crowned Best Film of 2023 at the Oscars, and I think this is for good reason because it is an exceptional film. Now, the film has a lot of themes and conflicts throughout, but I think one that really stands out is this idea of chain reactions, and I think this manifests itself in different forms at multiple levels throughout the film. For one, about half of the film focuses on Oppenheimer and his team developing the first atomic bomb, which only goes off due to a chain reaction. Another one is the film's reflection on the Manhattan Project and how its handling led to the nuclear arms race during the Cold War, which was the source of a lot of paranoia and fear in the mid to late 20th century. But on a personal level, I think there's also a chain reaction that is shown in Oppenheimer's decisions leading up to the creation of the atomic bomb, meaning the people that he hires, the way he treats them, and his political affiliations, and how these decisions are used against him later on in life to destroy his credibility. Overall, one of the things I think this film does best is explore the theme of causality, how big and small decisions can and may lead to bigger consequences down the line. And this is something that we certainly see exemplified in the Bible. Take, for example, the story of David and Bathsheba in 2 Samuel 11, where David's decision to sleep with Bathsheba unleashes a succession of events that leads to the death of Uriah, one of his closest friends, the death of David's son, and we can even argue that this decision influences many of the problems that David has later on in his reign. And we could look at so many other examples throughout scripture where decisions are made and they result in consequences that are much larger than the people making those decisions could have anticipated. But I think the biblical view of causality is best exemplified in Galatians 6 verse 7. Do not be deceived, God is not mocked, for whatever one sows, that he will also reap. Now, even though we just had a negative example, we also have the promise here that our good decisions will be rewarded. Maybe not now, maybe not in the way that we expect, but ultimately God will bring all things into perspective.